there guys, glad you could join us. Today we're going to be making chocolate brownies in Benny's home kitchen. Good food for good people. Alright guys, we've got a really nice simple recipe for you today. I'm using dark chocolate, milk chocolate, a little bit of white chocolate on the top. Then we're going to throw in flour, sugar, cocoa butter, 4 eggs, and I'm using frozen raspberries. You can use whatever you've got. Today we're going with frozen. Let's get going. Okay guys, as you can see, my butter is just beginning to melt. I've got it on a low heat to start off with. I'm going to get that all nice and liquidy, and then I'm going to go in with the chocolate and the sugar. Just about ready to add my chocolate now guys. As you can see, I've got a couple of lumps, but that will melt as we keep on going. I'm going to go in with 300 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of dark chocolate. That all goes in, and that will just slowly start to melt. Just keep on giving a little mix with a wooden spoon. Okay guys, same again. Once that's starting to melt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with my sugar. It's a lot of sugar. I'm using dark sugar. That's all just going to slowly start to mix together. Lovely. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all coming together now. It's smelling great, it's looking great. I'm going to keep that on the heat for another minute or so, just until I've got absolutely no lumps. But it's all nice and smooth, smelling absolutely phenomenal. Okay guys, when it's all melted down, you've got no lumps left and you're happy with that consistency, just take it off the heat and we're going to add our other ingredients. Okay guys, now I'm just going to slowly stir in the rest of my ingredients. I'm using 4 eggs, 140 grams of flour, 50 grams of cocoa. The eggs, one by one. Just slowly stir them in. Break up the yolks and just get it going. Lovely. Next, I'm going to go in with the cocoa. I've got 40 grams here. Just nice and easy. Lovely. And then lastly, I'm just going to sieve in my flour. I got 140 grams. So here we go. These are going to be great, guys. I can smell them already. My chocolate's still warm. We're just going in with the flour. I'm not messing about. I'm giving it a good stir. Don't be scared to get in there. That looks great, doesn't it, guys? These are going to be phenomenal. Guys, last stage, I'm just going to get my mixture into the pan. I've laid mine with some baking paper. We're going to scatter in some raspberries. I'm using frozen, like I said. And then on top, I'm just going to dash a bit of the white chocolate. That's optional. If you've got it, use it. Wow, looks great. I'm really going to try and scrape out the bottom of that pan to get all the chocolate out. Best thing about this is, guys, we can be licking out the pan afterwards. Beautiful. Chef's treat, that is. Just going to throw my last raspberries in and give it a little mix around. The raspberries add a lot of moisture, guys, so make sure you don't add too many. Great. And then once it's looking good, we're just going to dash the white chocolate on top. I'm being pretty generous with mine, but it's up to you. Make sure you try and break it up as much as you can, guys. Okay then, I've got my oven preheated, 180 degrees. I'm just going to put it in the middle shelf, about 30 minutes. If you like them a bit more firm, leave it in for a few minutes afterwards. Now we just got to wait. Oh, you guys came here just in time. I think they're just about done. I'm going to get them out and leave them to cool. Wow, they look really, really good. Okay guys, I took them out of the oven, left them to cool. Now there's only one thing left to do. Enjoy them. Remember to like and subscribe just down there.